2 top travel cards, 2 big visions for your wallet, Capital One Venture X Rewards or Citi Strata Premier. Which one really delivers? On the left, Capital One Venture X Rewards, the ultimate travel simplicity and premium perks card. And on the right, Citi Strata Premier, built to maximize rewards on your everyday spending. Let's skip the marketing hype and dive into the real-world advantages. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll see exactly which card comes out on top. The result might be a surprise, depending on what matters most to you in 2025. All right, here's the mind map. We're going to look at welcome bonus, reward structure, travel perks, annual fee, point transfer partners, everyday purchase value, and kind of a must-have for travelers, foreign transaction fees. That's a pretty solid lineup, right? First up, the welcome bonus. So Capital One Venture X flashes that 75,000 miles after spending $4,000. And honestly, that's like a $750 travel credit. Pretty eye-popping if you love maximizing your trips. The catch? You gotta redeem for travel to get full value, which might bug some folks. Now, Citi Strata Premier also goes with a $4,000 spend, but offers 60,000 points. About $600 if you do travel or gift cards. Not bad at all, but just a bit behind Venture X. Both require the same spend, but I mean, who's saying no to a higher bonus? Venture X kind of steals this round. All right, let's nerd out on the rewards structure. Venture X is like super simple. 2 times miles on literally everything. Plus, if you book hotels or car rentals through Capital One Travel, you get 5 times. Thing is, unless you use their travel portal a lot, there's no real bonus categories for stuff like groceries or dining. Now, Citi Strata Premier? This card goes all in. You get 10 times on select travel when you use cititravel.com. Yeah, portal required. And then 3 times on airfare, hotels, gas, EV charging stations, dining, and supermarkets. It's a lot to keep track of, but if you want to hack your spending, there's more juice here. So honestly, Strata Premier wins easily the reward structure game. Time for travel perks! Venture X turns up with a bunch of sweeteners. Up to $120 TSA PreCheck or global entry every 4 years. Killer rental car insurance coverage. Complimentary lounge visits. Okay, only 2 per year after 2025, but still nice. And Hertz 5-star status. Plus, that rental insurance is primary if you rent outside the US. Super solid travel setup. Citi Strata Premier? It's no slouch. You can get a $100 hotel credit, but only for bookings over $500, which, let's be real, can be hard to hit unless you're splurging or traveling as a family. There's also some travel insurance from MasterCard. Overall, Venture X really packs in the perks if you travel often. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Citi and Capital One actually launched these flagship travel cards kind of as a response to how popular flexible point programs have gotten lately. Wild, right? Just shows how much competition is heating up in the card space. Moving into the annual fee scene. Both cards ask for $95 a year, and neither waives it in your first year. It's kind of standard, nothing wild. You get a ton of premium level value for under $100. Venture X's perks almost make the fee feel like a deal, but Strata Premier's big bonus categories are pretty competitive too. So yeah, this one's honestly a tie. Point transfer partners. Let's dig in. Venture X has 22 different airline and hotel partners. Crazy, right? There's a really broad international network. So if you like hunting down those sweet airline redemptions or hotel stays, it's definitely appealing. Only thing is, not every partner gives you massive value, so you'll want to do a little homework. Strata Premier keeps pace pretty well. You get 21 transfer partners, and lots overlap with Venture X. But again, you're mostly stuck with travel-focused options, so not much for cashback lovers. Still, with one extra partner, Venture X edges out ahead. Let's talk everyday purchase value, because honestly, who wants to track bonus categories all the time? Venture X is simple. 2x on everything, grab and go. But, and this is kind of a weak spot, if you do most of your spending at grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, stuff like that, you're leaving rewards on the table. Citi Strata Premier, this one gets you 3x back on supermarkets, dining, gas/EV charging, really the things you use every day. Unbonused categories drop to 1x, but if you play your cards right, pun intended, you can rack up points pretty quick. So for everyday spending, Strata Premier just shines. Foreign transaction fees, that travel deal breaker. Both cards? Nada. Zero. You can swipe these anywhere around the globe and not get hit with fees. Love to see it. And seriously, it's a must for any good travel rewards card. This one's a tie. If you look at it all mapped out, VentureX really shines in travel perks, bonus value up front, and transfer partnerships. Strata Premier is all about those bonus earnings, especially on your everyday purchases, plus a massive rewards portal edge. And for annual fee and international use, total dead heat. So which one should you go for? If you want premium travel perks, lounge visits, and flexibility with airlines and hotels, VentureX Rewards is the obvious play. But if you're trying to squeeze the absolute most from regular grocery, dining, or gas spending, Strata Premier's got the edge. Bottom line, VentureX for travel lovers, Strata Premier for everyday points hackers. Hope you found this breakdown super useful. If you want more side-by-side card matchups, stick around. There are plenty more insights coming. Seriously, don't miss out. See you next time.